of homicidal woofers. They left you there to die. You walked away and you utilised public transport to facilitate its escape.
So this TV, as you could see, has a bad sound. So we are going to open it and see what is wrong with it. I am assuming the speakers are all damaged, so let's see that. So with all the screws removed, we take off this cover. So here's one problem. The woofer has the little speaker all damaged. It's dried out and broken. You can see it now a little closer. As you can see, it's all broken on the area that should be more flexible, and it's all broken down. To remove it, we just need to undo these 4 screws. And it's a little bit glued, so we need to pry it out for it to be removed from the cover. We have the 2 magnets on the back. And there you can see there should be this like rubbery thing that holds the speaker and makes it move, and it's not there. So as I suspected the issue, I have already ordered new speakers for the woofer and for the bottom speakers as well. So we're just going to replace them and see if it is fixed after that. So to put the speaker in place, we need to make sure that the contact that has the red scratch on it, it matches the red wire. So it should be on this position to be put on the speaker. So we do the 4 screws again. And this one is done. So we'll go now to the bottom speakers. So this is one of them. And it looks also a little dry on the joints. So as we've ordered the set, we'll just replace them all. This one I have pried it open already. As you can see, it's missing a lot of the rubbery parts. So we need just to take the 4 screws and then pry it out. So we need to give it a firm pull so it comes out, as it's glued with this foamy tape. And this is the brand new one. Let's put it in place. Since I don't have this foamy tape to cover the gaps, I will use the one that was on the previous speaker. Hopefully it will work good enough for the TV to have a better sound. This is the end result, and we place the cover back on top of the TV, and let's put all the screws back in place. So with that done, let's try it out.
Claramente quer jogar e que iria estar algo descontente no
And it sounds much better. So here's a simple fix for a problem that could throw a TV in the trash. Hope you enjoyed. Leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.
Outro jogador que hoje está em grande destaque, Arthur Coquelin, que marcou um golo que garantiu a presença do Benfica na Liga dos Campeões.